welcome back to Beae video tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use Google Maps element of Beae Shopify Page Builder. What is Google element? Google Maps is a tool to make your business contact information easy to find and also save customer some steps of opening a new browser window to leave your store. With Beae Theme Builder, you will not get the embedded link to add the map. You only have to insert your location and Google Maps will find by itself. Therefore, customer can easily find your store. Don't forget to add Google Maps to the sales page. Let's use and optimize the Google Maps element of Beae to the fullest. Let's get started. I will show you the most detailed use of Beae Google Maps element. First, create the section. Go to the element. Drag and drop the Google Maps element to the desired position. Click on the Google Maps element. The right side of the screen will appear Content tab, Style tab, and Advanced tab. The Content tab, you can customize location. You just need to type the address. The screen will show the location of your store and the surrounding area. For example, I will locate the store at the Doyle Street, New York. So, location has been displayed. You can also customize zooming in or out in Zoom. Finally, height will allow you to adjust the height of the Google Map. In the Style tab, you can customize the shaded filter to make the Google Map image more attractive. I will proceed to customize blur, brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue. You see, with just a few simple steps, now you have the perfect Google Map appearing in front of the customer. In the Advanced tab, you can customize spacing, background, border, responsive, animation, and attributes. Margin spacing, margin is the distance between sections. Padding is the distance between the section and column. And you can also customize the width for Google Maps. The video can also set position. However, according to Beae note here, it's not considered best practice for responsive web design and should not be used too often. In particular, enable skip is an extremely interesting feature when you assign a Google Map to sticky on top. This slide will also always sticky. The top end will not disappear when pulled down. Hopefully, if you choose stick at the bottom, that Google Map will always stick to the bottom. Similarly, I will also customize this element when the Google Map is displayed on the mobile. To make the Google Map more prominent, you can change the background here or add a border and box shadow. Responsive allows video to display on desktop, tablet, or mobile device. If you check high on desktop, this video will only display on tablet and mobile, or vice versa. You can also customize the effect when the Google Map appears. Google Map can be displayed right on the page, or you can run from the top to bottom, from the right, from the left, or from a variety of different appearance. Let's customize them in the engine and animation. Finally, attribute will allow you to deeply intervene in the code of Google Maps element. This section will be for those of you who want to design professionally. With the ultimate customization tool, it will create headlines that stand out and attract customers. Alright, that's all you need to know about the section of Beae. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, feel free to chat with our support. See you next time.